shibun fibro section part te sakoi biang ka notice kami have de bat jong ka exam Meghalaya police jong ka UB constable mau palong arp santarik man si ublei te plik kum kane ka notice ule ayu ne candidate ba haban sha dibar naka mantho exam Meghalaya police. This is informed that on the 25th May 2025 written test was conducted for a post of unarmed branch UBC unarmed branch constable in various districts. However, despite clear instruction, clear dapong baik instruction ba umderi balai umta ndrei claim about the examination rule and conduct to the candidate in one of the examination center in West Garuhil, connected West Garuhil. One candidate bearing roll number 330-25614 was reported to have resulted to malpractice. Adon report ba ule kumta balai tam te by using unfair means during the examination which amounted to violation of the rule guidelines of the examination. The done by report ba ule tam kumne kumtai te individual tor te kila late kel ong candidate ban say a ban mo ban check ban a ban say kita ke bro te une candidate pada ule kumno claim pat check claim pat a ule kumno tar no ya ka admit card ka jongu ba umi no na ka jaga exam or claim on phasio te ki claim pat lap claim pat check a ndre claim sha e kita bro phet no mo kum kane ka notice. The individuals are swiftly confronted the candidate for queries, and verification, and verify, and check but the candidate hurriedly tore his hair admit card into pieces and fled from the scene. Nakajaka, for example, had no. His hair modified gesture cannot be ruled out of guilt feeling, consequential from practicing unfair means during the exam. Hence, the candidate bearing above run bar is hereby withheld. Unswisha withheld shua tangban marba umtho exam re mut ekanek exam Meghalaya police la du bej te hakanek spede kin sapantip biang da koi ka notice la unyo ne man apply biang hakanek recruitment from this recruitment and debar from this police recruitment until further order te hakanek exam jong Meghalaya police la du hi usha withheld ta 4 ai ya ka order ka ba kumba ai tu we bla sha reject unete unang yo hi ka chance lo no apply biang hakanek recruitment te nang ai por uni candidate ban appeal. No, if the concerned person wishes to conduct appeal or file representation against this notice, she may do so to appellate authority by submitting petition through the Superintendent of Police West Garuhil District, who is the examination chair of police examination held within West Garuhil District within 7 days of the publication, failing which the decision with disregard is deemed to be final. Tekan ai por unyosngi ba on file ya kane file petition and file ban ayu ba don re kata ka jing les new nei te unang la ban ayu la da wan ban file e bro temen ba ka decision ka long final ula du ya kane ka exam Meghalaya police bedi benta re ya ka banang wan kin sapen mi da koi pat ka notice kinam ong ro mong tuwe bala rejected la ne la kumtam ta kin sapen mi da koi ka notice te na kapor se kapor la da bong ba markibun ma ki ba comment ki ba ong ba kibun bagi sentar ma amdei baro ma kidon ngi sentar ba kidon ki ba kinong up ro ki thu ki rap pan pen sof ki jingkeli ki ai ansar kidon ba ai por kidon kumne kum tai lagi jong sentar te ngal ong na kapor ba pihak ban complain be pihak ban ya fight pihak ban ong la da pi claim ong re ha to kapor pi ong dala dep exam don jimun toy shu mar bal adep exam la dep submit ki baro karam don shu kata ka jing weng la ne ka jing lei wat biang ba de tam ta te nang don sakawe exam jong AB constable te la pisiam biang kum gini jing lei pide ban complain ha kato juga pore ben ya fight bed te marka hok ki pin yo bed ya ka hok ba pin la amde ban ting ki don ki ong ba ki ting yo sha pek khamat da kun tai te la piting la pisngap te sha ban hun me ya ta non kam shu ban ya kren la pi kwa ban le ya sha te pide ban complain bed ya kata te tang kata ka jing pensyan ya jonga te tang kan nei khulisbun